Implementing SAP S/4HANA can be challenging, even if you are running a prior instance of SAP. Does your project team have the knowledge they need to make decisions about SAP quickly and effectively? Delaware's proprietary SAP Learning Academy gives your team the overview they need to make design decisions faster. With better outcomes and less rework, employees gain a common foundation in SAP from the beginning of the project. Experienced SAP users learn what's new in S/4HANA. Exploring SAP best practices enables your team to identify things that could simplify your solution. Learn what's possible with out-of-the-box reporting and data flows. Delaware's SAP Learning Academy is designed and delivered by highly experienced SAP functional consultants and tailored to your industry: aerospace and defense, mill products, discrete manufacturing, and process manufacturing. In 5 half-day sessions, your team will learn what SAP S/4HANA can do for your specific industry and get the chance to dive into the system themselves with simulations, giving them the foundation they need to make smart decisions about your business. Want to learn more about our SAP Learning Academy? Reach out to one of our experts today